Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix a locked TikTok account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now for some reason, if your TikTok account has been locked, then what you need to do is appeal it to the TikTok server. So open up your browser, any browser, and on the search bar simply type in TikTok appeal, and once you hit enter, tap in the first link that is shown to you, that is TikTok Help Center. And once you're inside here, scroll down until you find tap on contact us, and once you do that, here you'll be sent to this share your feedback page, and all you gotta do is type in your email address and your username, and once you're done with that, tap on select an option, account ban suspension, and now tap on this tell us more, and here banned account not age related, and here you can write something like hello TikTok, my account has been banned for some reason, and please can you help me solve this issue as soon as possible, something like this. And once you do that, take a screenshot of the problem firsthand and upload it to right here, and then tick this both small boxes and then tap on submit, and after a couple of days the TikTok will review it and reach back to you and probably fix the issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.